because I only want to so that I will give a meeting okay. Napana okay. Or when it doesn't meeting now about 10 or 12 or 11 up or also HD or smart practice. But whatever happened, we are trying. Go ahead. The main item I'm going to work on today to help us our constitution, because we have been working to help us our administration. One of the requirements of this constitution, and one now the main thing of making all this general today, because I finished handing over the constitution, then the help us the administration, I got all the fast forward problem. So after all, I'm going to contribute to over the state. Now, a lot of things has been happening within the week and a few weeks ago, which we are working on it, we are handling, and we're area lock on our side, open area lock on our side, but we are doing our best. Based on our members, and one of the basic information I need here was the Igbo Union now. If you go there, for this union, I mean in such a way that this union will make a deal in Malaysia. In Kabul, a big boy. I know we are steady, and I will still repeat that example every day. In here, people's club which is successful and Igbo, somebody like a Canadian school on a post club, and who was always national president. But then when he a post club, when I had there, New United was over on a post club. He had to wear on a post club. How had a meeting and when I got Arena. If that is a opinion, won't give Otis Wedge. So all standard that I come to a guy will follow, I will keep it as achieved. Time and our mother Agana. Oh no, but and I told we were union. I move forward to the extent that I just remember from our record. A lot of people now here just heritage star Jawana. So most of those things, only on to know what to this full line. I don't know when I talk about can sanitize the situation so that I will not 10 or 20 or 50 or 100 I am only forced to recognize from this. Also, now, but as a man that never was standard because all of them were right. And more than one outside not calculating in game and can better. That's why I see because all of them now union can we give me things achieved. Before every other thing, these people know what a problem, and we got to us. But Emeka Buonya said for those people, I got a brief life where Boto before I abanye ihe constitution biko onye ọbụla ga-ede ọfụma.
I got that. So if you at the constitution, if you look at there, you go Archie as one of the constitutional members, Fantasy, Apunga, Nakobia now. So we start on our MSA.
Last meeting, last year, oh my God, so oh yeah, you know, why happened or why you happened last meeting? So I'm going to say, oh,
I am some members now that constitutional this thing not going to happen. Someone like Jujuiti Ibrahim here there, so that we get correct people. And some other members in our editors, and some names and
So the meeting for today, in terms of secretary, in a record, things like how they need today. The meeting is constitution, and actually, Emeka, two of our members in the problem. Okay, that one, or not one environment up to today. Then I just say food in the constitution. I can
the president. Always maybe an anxiety or Mama about Hamaka ka Eji Habia. A lot of the manage how I don't know one day to be trophy. What they have to do with ya. Quite our own good guys with them. The Monarch here than a trophy, the Monarch here. So that I am a man of people. When you ever present at all, now you got present. I don't present I'm okay. Mana utap one is na dey. Ibo you know about it. Why is na mawo mo dey about it from here. I na about it. Now, you can manage. I had a bad look at that. I know a lot of things to do. And even you know, I had a book for your mass. And I actually got a book now. Step by on there now in a bazaar registration. In the order official in Malaysia. I have a problem meeting. They came up for that to the guy. I should have the order official. I never go to take it. I go say I have where registered organization. So, and in your country now, did you ever have a constitution which no one can message? I see the work that we are going on. Wherever one of because I was looking at the committee 8 years now. Our business and guy. That's an actual problem. I don't know what so I think I will tell on the constitution. On the check, I want to Maya dogs, I wait a gawa, a buy my car. Now, I'm going to register because I'll register first. I must say yes, everyone I took an so I have to tell you because I have to go by the road and call the guy to put in. I'm on a buy my car. I'm on because change go. To me, my hand and that will have a chat when that will have I will
one time working as an agriculture and think I have and I used to look at other coffee them out. Now, I will be one now coffee, India coffee that I put down for my way soon. On the Sunday, or when I could be going in a couple of 1 year, the capital of the coffee was 18. On the Sunday, but also they will run well with problem. I don't want to go into another like that. We should not actually not doing. So that's all the people like one time we can get now. ama na ga-ebunye ya kama na ya ma sọrọ ihe ka anyị tụrụ ya ka ma ya tụrụ ya fọrọ nke isi ọ bụrụ mụ na ka mara otu isi na ka ga-ese ọ rụzie ebe a ya na-asị onwe ya ma otu
ihe nwere iti na ịkọ wutere ezo bụ na kofi na mkparị gị na-etofe nwunye iwu na iwu ha tụrụ ya akwa ọ ka mmadụ ya nwere nke ije eji like ihe ndị ka akpọrọ ha bụ na onye ahụ wepere kofi atọ ana ndị ọka akpọrọ onye ahụ ga akwụkwọ mana ha ya bụtara ha chọrọ ihe ka mgbe na enwe ihe ha ji ede ihe ha ji aka esa na aka ezo ka ọ bụla anyị kere ala anyị ọkọkụ mgbe nọ n'ala ọ na-ebe ekwu na anyị na ewu na ewu na aka ekwu a ga-akụ mbọ
Even at the Constitution, I can have front page of the Constitution, which will bear our logo. Our logo will not urge, right? Why I guess they do the Constitution. Other than the Constitution, I start Constitution of Igbo Union, Malaysian branch. Our motto: progress, peace, and unity. The motto of the organization. Then other than the Constitution, second page, Igbo Union, Malaysian branch. Quotation: this Constitution shall be known and referred as the Constitution of the Igbo Union, Malaysian branch. Hereafter referred to as the Constitution. Motto: I have mentioned it: peace, unity, and progress. Our slogan: I desire one. Our slogan: I get you one. God bless. I go on the Igbo Union battle. So the person of Ghana, what will be our slogan? So I have to think about our slogan. Then core value. Then later we will talk on the slogan. The core value of the organization: accountability, friendship, and service. Vision of the organization: to protect the interests of all Igbo people staying in Malaysia. Mission: to promote unity, peace, and enhance progress among Igbo sons and daughters in Malaysia. I've been at the Constitution. I'm in the section 1. I've been at the section 1. Name of the organization. Section 1 of the Constitution. The association shall be known as Igbo Union, Malaysian branch, which is the section 1. Name of the association. I've been at section 2. The section 2 of the Constitution aims and objectives. Number 1, to promote unity among Igbo in Malaysia, to promote the culture and tradition of Igbo in diaspora. 3, to assist members in personal welfare matters as specified in this Constitution, to support and help ourselves in times of social and welfare needs, to initiate projects that can bring out the image of the organization or Igbo Union, Malaysian branch. Again, at section 3, the section 3 in Kumaka becoming a member. The section 3 of the Constitution in Kumaka becoming a member. He whatever a member of Igbo Union. But I want a message a member can put a situation which is 15 ringgit, which we did not say in our last meeting. Last meeting we said that membership is free. So based on that, this Constitution. So becoming a member. Section 3 when a subsection A of the Constitution. The subsection A will be becoming a member. Membership is open to every Igbo indigene living in Malaysia, either by birth, marriage, parental origin, or by adoption, and may be decided by the association from time to time. The association for a time we decide why to change then I will members I am executive meeting Japan and floor. Then 2, those that resided in Igbo land for 10 years or above and who have Igbo land as their hometown and accepted Igbo culture are also eligible for membership. Yoruba people na Igbo for 10 years or Hausa or Ocha. People are Igbo for 10 years and accept our culture. The Bala, Ewo, the member of the association. A starting member must be of age 18 years or above. Any member of that have from 18 years or above. So, but I can get questions for that. Some of us, some of whom soon over 18 years. Now, go is soon over that school people. When you take up any organization, the membership will be from 18 years above. So, I got section 3 for subsection B. Subsection B. Registration and meeting dues. Registration of members is free to all sons and daughters of Igbo indigenous. Never welcome Guna. Makai want to message the registration of 50 ringgit. Why? 30 ringgit. Why? We all agree that the registration will be this constitution. So the registration of members. So identity and the registration of members is 30 ringgit.
Yes.
Meeting dues shall be. I can open a subsection B of becoming a member. Meeting dues shall be per a meeting. Everybody can have a meeting dues. I don't know the obligation you need to so once I get decide, everybody meeting dues per meeting. If I have a meeting 2 times in a month. Once in a month. Section C of section 3, financial member. Financial member is eligible for the association if he does not own the association on any other approved or prescribed levies for a long period of time, longer than 3 months. If he or her meeting due is up to date. About subsection D, conduct. Members must be tolerant and respectful of other members' opinion by not being rude or quarrelsome. 2. Any member that his or her conduct brings the association into this repute, we pay a fine of. Into this repute, we pay a fine of so that open, and may also be suspended if the majority of the members recommended such action. Note, this repute, this association is talking about this. Note, by this repute, we mean defrauding the association, committing fraud with the association name, using threatening language or behavior, and by being abusive. I don't remember when you got on at the end of the night of Tani and Diego, you are defrauding our association. So, number 3, I can open subsection D, conduct. Number 3 of the subsection D, which is conduct. The member shall be given opportunity to defend him or herself in a normal meeting ground. And when any national law goes on, I get the member opportunity in a meeting ground. If any of our members have problems between themselves, they have to bring the matter to us first before involving outsiders. Mobile phones should be on silent during meeting to avoid distraction. Abiding at section 4 of the Constitution, benefit of members. Every time when I have a lot of work to do, and I think benefit of members. Abiding at benefit of the members, subsection C. You have members in a written association. Child education. When you write child education, or we go look at the association, and when I'm there, at the open. Subsection B. Marriage. Member in our one. The vacant is still free. Subsection D, illness. Remember, subsection E, deportation. Remember when it's one I got what I did. You wear pocket money. That gave you want to wear a banana. I got a subsection F. And remember, subsection F talks about death. And remember one Yebula Ozia, and then I gave the family subsection F death. I got a subsection G, qualification for benefit. Here I need now subsection G, crown and everything. Qualification for you to earn qualification for all these benefits which we have mentioned. Member must be debt free from the association before he or her will be eligible for the above benefits. He must be debt free. You get what my child education you go to member and you go to me. You want to work more than 3 months. The association will have nothing to do with you. Then I got section 5 of the Constitution, inviting members to occasion. Even when you actually met the Igbo Union invite, and then he get the vacant is open because I can't decide on this. All I have is here. There's the secretary has to and involves me. Then I got the inviting members section 5, and then he get my invite. Or woman or woman sorry I decide. I tell my bragging the occasion. So I got section 6 of the Constitution, New Year Festival. That is important as Igbo. I want to reach every year. So the association I can pick the date and venue. I can never want New Year Festival. So it's free for every member to contribute. Section 7 of the Constitution, awards and honors. Section 7 now award and honors. Otuba 9 will Igbo Union as well as have it. I registered and recognized in Malaysia. I'm up to going my to Awaya on hand a middle for the I sort of this year is section 7 award and honors. Then the question who is eligible to earn Igbo Union award? The man is eligible, I award. Then how should we celebrate the award? The celebration of the award I got from the pocket of the organization, but I got the celebrant. We cater for the expenses. Also, I got a section 8 of the Constitution. Officers of the association and election, section 8. How many years should existing officers will be in the office? I want to say more 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. Then the vacant at the field. Qualification to contest to any admired office. The qualification to contest for any admired office. Only now at the time to a contest, after they were president, or when you want to employ pass, or when you want to pass from one school, or when you want to student visa. And when I like take contest as president, here the association that they decide. Date of election. I was the one date of election. And when new president, the amount date and date, I can not conduct any fresh election. Then I'm gonna section 9, duties of the officials. Section 9 with a subsection A. President. The president is the leader of the association. And as such, he is the overall manager, organizer, coordinator of all activities of the association. The president must be valid in Malaysia. The president must be valid in Malaysia at least 5 months visa. The president is the one at least 5 months visa for you to contest the office of president or for you to become a president. The president has the right to conclude any agenda once the agenda has been deliberated in the meeting. Only the president has the right to rule any agenda of life. And once the president, after the members, then the president has the final say. It's in the and then a subsection B of section 9, secretary. The secretary shall record all proceedings and resolutions passed at the meetings. The secretary must inform members about letters, invitations received from other associations. The secretary must read last meeting agendas before meeting starts. And the secretary must always be punctual to the meeting.
Ndị Igbo ekele m unu fụrụ today na ebido gị ịtụ ego. E nwere ihe lidri to ịtụ ego a. because this area got to like in every constitution you're gonna like I may bring union and India not free for Igbo, but from the information signed and from our record onye biazie odenya here jewara now the story is that no member of Igbo union are happier. So all we know is to change that thing. All this one and around Igbo union, some people don't have the money to happen. I notice there is a good in there. A lot of people are. But in as much as that they want a commitment, you people have to trust the executives and the kind of opportunity to go there now. I need to be registered executive because executive I need the one again here and attendance I need because I cannot bank 247 Maka Igbo Union. Because volunteer we get registered. Can you see that now when ending non executive each? It's open for everybody. Now, again, now last executive, here was here managed to do it to a gap. 30 ringgit registration. Today, this particular month, 20 ringgit as monthly due. So from December now, each general meeting I get once is 50 ringgit. I want to assure you that they go very now. Onya na-enye gị ka ọ were solve problem ego anyị na-atụ ego ya ka e were solve ego a ga-eji solve problem onye Igbo enwe a little problem pụtara ahụ that na ga were atụ that na I need 1,000 ringgit enyi dị ọsị kpọọ emergency meeting enyi dị ahụ na-etụwazi biko onye weta ego esi ebe a wee solve onye ozugbo onye mere ji wetie then I wanna say ndị na-atụ ego a now biko this record is very strange because a few days ago somebody na somebody na Igbo Union. See all this why I never meeting now not here. Your friend or Igbo Union. No, Igbo Union. This morning is here 3 times. I can get empty for 3 times. Just to say to that 3 times and my problem in as soon as I get empty for 3 times, and we had the Canadian Igbo Union, and we had the Kanaka meeting, and we had the Kanaka over this go today. Even on this meeting, one worker, incomplete today 50 ringgit and 20 ringgit. From you can cover you off my I'm very careful about it. So that I want to go today, tomorrow. Each day go, no our treasurer. I will never get because when our treasurer, when they can win. I remember election, no appointment. When our secretary, then our financial secretary, when I came, because again, and when we saw this story, Jumakega, draw this people, I to go with Mother now, again for Nandy Gero responsible as Nino Igbo Union. And any day, any dream I come, none. I agree fully on that. Up here, and I do a question. On the reason age we go top of 500 ringgit, for example. So we want to be very careful. Our member, we want to take care of Ndigo, but if you want a level of commitment, yeah. I don't know we here free, but I forgot here free and hard work. Can we keep your mind like that? So all changes because of what the surprise about the go free and the go. Now it will go another Igbo Union. Another one in here was a constitution now. Only function. All this one, he had to get 500 ringgit. So, no update that area. 500 on the I'm way to.
It's not meeting dues go.
We are talking about the next month now. It's 50 ringgit. 50 ringgit, you got to once a month as a member. And the bank will then update that amount every month because when they do not open up Basaragi, they got people union. It means say you're meeting dues for 3 times. From autumn day executive is back here. Again, Hawaii. You solve that problem. You solve that problem just now. Complete you are 3 months due. And when say he you know what in but that problem is not there. You want to get a solve why? I can move.
Yes, natural because of Nibo put an agony from 500. Keep going because of 500 now every month. All your problem. No problem. I don't keep it as a woman. Over 500 is what I can hear. Yes. That we may once. But your press, all you know, you know, decide you get the person. I have a young lady, I guess you won't be a kumba. But what do you want to say? What to support? I had I am Japan, I didn't get I allow the way. It's a way because of lying at the moment. The governor, I tell you, I down. He gets to after I return, we're going to carry a year in the union. I hear there, well, I will right, this right, who know, you know, I also saw in the memory, you will get a for but I can't believe I got a good for all the one more than a chance to show. My advice, I will buy the take another. No way by I had to have a clue. They go let I have you now. I bet I can't put the right. I have a move. Thank you.
The monthly dues is very important. Even at 20, 10, 5, or 10 enough. From my own view, because then we get even money above from my own number of that. So for me, I can't remember every 4 times get a make a meeting. Every month, and I afford once every month. What the moment 50 ringgit is okay for that. This is what I anticipate. So was every week. I will tell ringgit. Only if I work one now. Only believe you when I want money or what. So 50 ringgit okay. Then you 20 ringgit. Only a problem. Only a problem. What take that to let go because someone I will make a policy ego for 20 years here. I can't from. I have a 2005. I get a job. Passport is I get them to Riaka. Another 2005. So the leader of this contributing this money is for because rock will be eaten. Don't have all and you will let down pop tava. Don't have a family. So can you not be 50 ringgit? What if I want say up to 10 ringgit, 5 ringgit, 2 ringgit. Don't even have that smart every day. Every day people are ready for a snap. That's why I spent 500 ringgit, 1,000. So people, 50 ringgit, okay.
Wow.
And I want to this benefit was the money I had in the account. Because I have the key points. Who took this meeting, the meeting like this, I don't like that. More carry this line in a month. I can now walk towards hearing where I can because who knows what 100,000 ringgit, what 1 mile.
18 and more about when I 100,000. But I have one account of 500. And I understand. If one emergency meeting today, bring Monday, or Friday, get one guy who I have about. Because I can check, I go there, I know. Because I'm here, some people are 10 in 20 in the old, what more. You know, but they go there, I know an account. Because the United any organization, they came with an account. You know what? I have that 500, I never expenses 1.5. You could imagine. You never understand. So, because I now work with this thing, I work with most guys in America. Because, number one, everybody can now, he didn't go before. And zoom in now, he didn't go over the because he went my brain with the committee, we can go executive meeting. Guy, I got home. I got home. So now I get the problem.
This issue of when you actually it's not very necessary. My mom suggested you take it. When you order that, or what I say, I come back in the what I say, I contribute to $200. This is already Nigeria where I got $200. But I have a new union. Then there was a new friends there, who's no BS at 10,000 get. Go support right. Personal, yeah, being my union, $200, and I suggest
the proposed animal sport if animal because $200 more state you are in Royal Nigeria. As far as I am from so 200 US okay. But I'm not
so this particular one, they will know there now. Based on reasons for those which all the very strength and checking. So $200 ringgit, $200. Again, somebody since I did not 4 o'clock, I get years in fine. All if you are late. They go now here. What the committee can you go on? I will need a free. On the best of Jamaica, then all that they get late, contribute to something. Because all that is a meeting. Cameron all that they may adopt now, I'm not going to because they got the late, they got the road. Who go time, who will be there late. I'm not getting I will tell you, 20 ringgit or 5 ringgit camera here. I want that money. I saw it late. And wasn't there any day I got on and I'm going to God. I can never.